What's going on, pranksters? Welcome back to another Nextraker unboxing setup video featuring the Fopo 14-inch 1080p triple monitor. Alright guys, so here is where we'll be setting up our little work/gaming station, right on my drafting table. First, we'll be unboxing this awesome gadget by Fopo. It's all inside this brown box. Alright, well let's see what we get inside. And the first thing I pulled out was this super well padded carrying case. The inside has a velvety look and feel, not bad for protecting our device. Now in this box is where we'll find our 14-inch 1080p triple monitor model S19. Gotta love breaking this seal, it means I'm the first one to open this. On the inside of the cover we have a quick rundown of what we get inside, but if we remove the padding, we can take a look for ourselves. Here we have some paperwork in regards to the connections, and underneath we get two screen protectors. But as you guys know, I myself hardly ever use these, but it's good to know that they're there. And this is what we all want to see. I got it in gray, but real quick, let's take a peek at what's below it. Okay, cool, we have a bunch of cables obviously. Most are USB to USB Type-C, and what I like is that we also get HDMI to mini HDMI cables, which are great for video game consoles and streaming devices. Although the user manual is helpful, plugging this into your laptop is pretty easy, and you'll get to see that right now. Now here is the triple monitor, and guys, just so you know, you don't get 3 monitors with this one. It's 2 monitors plus your laptop screen. That's 3. But anyway, as you guys can see, this is awesome. Both screens are 14 inches and both have connection ports, 2 USB Type-C ports and 1 mini HDMI port. We also have a menu button and volume buttons to control settings. I didn't see it at first, but the back also has a leg that pops out for extra support. This will really come in handy when mounting. The middle of this is adjustable. That means that this device is ideal for laptops or MacBooks that are 15 to 17 inches. For this demo, I'll be mounting this device on my MacBook Air. Check it out guys, it easily slides into my MacBook, and once in position I can make sure that it's tightly locked in. It won't be going anywhere. Now I can remove the plastic cover from the screens for a better view of them. I got this $10 HDMI adapter on Amazon to connect my MacBook to the monitor on the right, and most computers out there already come with a USB-C port for better connection. To power this monitor, I'll be using the charging block provided along with another USB-C cable. Right away, I was not happy with the screen's brightness, so I was able to adjust that to my liking. On the left monitor, I'll be gaming, so I'll be plugging in my Xbox One X, and again, the same connection process applies here. I can choose to play Call of Duty or any game I want. Just look at that guys, I have 3 monitors at my disposal. This is why this device is called a triple monitor. I get the full 1080p benefits when working on my MacBook, or if I want to watch a video. I can also take a break from work and just relax and game for a bit. That's how easily you can have a work/gaming station at home thanks to this Fopo 14-inch 1080p triple monitor. I'll have the link for this device in the description guys, so get your own. Thanks for stopping by, pranksters. I hope you liked this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.